Welcome everybody, this is CXC January 2021 Mathematics paper run through, and we will be learning how to solve these questions. So foremost, this is the first question which we will start off by learning how to do this. So it says that using calculator or otherwise calculate the exact value of 1/4/7 positive 2/3 negative 1/5/6. Now let me consider 1/4/7. 7 times 1 is 7, added with 4 will give me 11/7. Now we will consider 1/5/6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 added with 5 will give me 11/6. So therefore 1/4/7 positive 2/3 negative 1/5/6 is rewritten as 11/7 followed by 2/3 and then 11/6. Now the LCM will be 7 and 3 and 6. We can broadly take it like that. So the first quantity is going to be 11 times 3 times 6. The second quantity is going to be 2 times 7 times 6. The third quantity is going to be 11 times 7 times 3. So for the first quantity you have 33 multiplied with 6. 6 3s are 18, 1, 6 3s are 18, 19. So it's 198. Second quantity is 14. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 multiplied with 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 1 6 7 8 84. Followed by 11 times 7 is 77, and then you have to multiply by 3. 7 times 3 21. 21 22 23. So it's going to be minus 2 3 1. Divided by 7 times 3 times 6. So 198 added with 84. This is going to give me 12, carry 1, 10, 18, 1, 282. And from 282 you subtract 2, 3, 1. So it's going to be 1. From 8 you take away 3, you get 5. So you have 51 divided by 7 and 3 and 6. I can use 3 to reduce 51. 3 divides 5 once, 21, 7 times. So it's going to be 17/7 into 6 is 42. So this is the exact value for this question. Now I can understand that it is asking us either to use calculator or otherwise. If you have a calculator, you can directly key in these values and get the outcome. But your final result should be in this form. Okay, this is the form that is expected. So having mentioned, let's move on. Okay, this is question number 1, subdivision 2. They are asking us to write the value of third root of 27 divided by 9 squared as a fraction in its lowest form, right? So foremost, third root of 27 over 9 squared. Now this can be rewritten as 27 raised to the power of 1/3 divided by 9 squared from the law of indices. Now 27 is nothing but 3 cubed excuse me, raised to the power of 1/3 divided by 9 squared. Now by the law of indices, a raised to the power of n raised to the power of 1/n can be rewritten as a raised to the power of n/m. So by this property, this can be rewritten as 3 raised to the power of 3/3 divided by 9 squared. Now 3 gets cancelled, giving me 3/9 squared. I can rewrite 9 squared as 9 into 9. So 3 divides 9 3 times. So you have 1/3 times 9, which is rewritten as 9 times 3 is 27. So this is 1/27 written in the fraction form, and this is the lowest term possible. Okay, so that is the end of this question's solution. Okay, this is the next question. The thickness is question B. The thickness of one sheet of cardboard is given as 485 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 mm. A construction worker uses 75 sheets of cardboard stacked together to insulate a wall. Question 1. Show that the exact thickness of the insulation is 363.75 mm. This is first question. Second question is, say 2, this is 1. Write the thickness of the insulation. Correct two significant figures. Okay, and the next part is, this is A under 2, this is A, and the part B is correct to one decimal place. This is two significant figures, this is one decimal place, so both are different. Okay, so let us do this question. So these are the following information we have been given. Foremost, thickness of the sheet is 485 times 10 power minus 2 mm. Okay, so number of sheets used 75. Therefore, total insulation thickness is equal to 75 multiplied with 485 multiplied with 10 power minus 2. So 485 multiplied with 75, 5 are 25, 2, 5 are 40, 42, 4, 20, 24, 7 5 are 35, 3, 56 and 3, 9, 59 and 5, 28 and 33. So 5, 7, 13, 6 and 3. So you have 36375 multiplied with 10 power minus 2. That means you are actually dividing 36375 by 100. So that means this is going to be 363.75 mm. Okay, so what they are asking us to show that the insulation is this. Okay, the total insulation thickness is 363.75 mm, right? Hence shown the required. Okay, now the next question is, you see the next question, correct to two significant figures. Correct to two significant figures. See, what do you have? You have 363.75 mm. What are the significant figures here? First figure is 3, second figure is 6. So two significant figures only they are asking. Now this 3 is less than 5. so we drop it. So the value is going to be 360. That is the solution that they want. Okay, fair enough. Next one is correct to 1 decimal place. So what do you mean by 1 decimal place? You have 363.75. Now 5 can be moved on to 7 and written as 8. So this is nothing but 363.8. Now this is exactly what they want. After the decimal point, you need to have just 1 decimal place. So that's exactly what we have, 8. Okay, so solution is 363.8 mm. Over here mm. Okay, that is the end of this question. We move on. Now the last one they're asking us is write the answer in standard form. So what do we have? We have 363.75. If we were to write it in standard form, we have to move the decimal place to 1 to 2 to 2 places. So the decimal point is moving towards the left. If it moves towards the left, actually we will have to multiply with the number of places it is moving. 1, 2. So I need to multiply with 100. That's nothing but 10 squared. So the value is 3.6375 mm. Okay, so that is in standard form, right? Okay, so let me write the next question. Marco is on vacation in the Caribbean. He changes 4,500 Mexican pesos to Eastern Caribbean. Dollars. He receives a $630 ECD. Now what we have to do is we have to find the rate of 1 ECD in Mexican pesos. So what does he do? He changes 4,500 Mexican pesos, and what does he do? What does he receive? He receives 630 ECD. Okay, what they are asking us is to find 1 ECD is equal to how much. So from here 1 ECD is equal to 4,500 divided by 630. We cancel 9 divides here 7 times, 9 divides here 5 times. So 1 ECD is equal to 50 divided by 7. So we divide 50 by 7. 7 times 7 is 49, carry 1. 0, 7 ones are 7. We have a 3 there. 0, 7 fours are 28, 2, 0 and 7 1. So this is equal to approximately equal to 7.141, which I'm taking it as 7.14 to 3 significant. You got to write this figures. Okay, so this is 1 ECD is equal to 7.14 Mexican pesos. So that is the final answer to this lovely question.